So you've purchased your Instant Pot, got it out of the box, and now you've got to do something called the water test? What? I'll walk you through it. It's super simple. Follow me. Come and follow me. What is up, you guys? It's Carly here, and you are officially cooking with Carly. And today we are making some boiled water. The water test sounds crazy, complicated, and overwhelming when you read it in the manual. Do me a favor, close your Instant Pot manual and just put it away, because I feel like that thing does more harm than good sometimes. The water test purpose, let's talk about it. Why is the water test suggested in the manual, or you're told in the manual that you have to do it? You don't have to do it. Why is it suggested? So that you can become familiar with your Instant Pot. Familiarize yourself with the buttons on the front and familiarize yourself with how it works, how it will work the next time you decide to cook some chicken or a pasta dish. Boiling water is something you cannot ruin. So it is a great practice round before you toss some dinner in there. If you're looking for an intensive beginner's guide as to how your Instant Pot works, click on this video right here. Let's dive right in and get going on the water test. You are going to need approximately 2 cups of water. The exact amount doesn't really matter. Just make sure it's higher than about 1.5 cups. So we're going to remove our lid and pour the water in to the inner liner. Replace the lid, lock it, and we're going to turn this top knob to sealing. Now on the front of your Instant Pot, you're either going to be pressing manual, pressure cook, or you can press that steam button. All three will create our boiled water for us. I'm going to hit the manual button, and then we're going to adjust using the plus and minus buttons here to 2 minutes. So manual and adjust to 2 minutes. And that is all you have to do physically yourself for the water test. We're going to just sit here and wait. That means it's starting its cycle. It will probably take about 10 minutes. So what will happen inside of our pot right now? This water is going to heat up, it's going to start boiling and create steam, enough steam so that the pot becomes pressurized and it seals. And when it seals, you're going to see a pin on the top of your Instant Pot. It will pop up, and that indicates that it has come to pressure. And then it will cook for 2 minutes. Your display here on the front will count down, and when it gets to 0, your Instant Pot will beep, and then we will turn the knob to quick release the pressure. The water test is also a great thing to have in your back pocket if for some reason your Instant Pot is having a hard time coming to pressure. Sometimes when you throw dinner in and your pot never comes to pressure, it's a good test to throw water in there and make sure that it still will come to pressure. And if for some reason your Instant Pot is not coming to pressure, then it's time to contact customer service. All right, it's finally to pressure, showing a 2 here on our display. It will count down from 2 to 0, it will beep, and then we will push the venting knob over to quick release the pressure. Oh, we're at 1 now. Okay, you guys, it's at 0 now. It's done, it's over. Now it's time to quick release the pressure. A few things before we quick release the pressure. From this vent right here, a lot of hot steam will shoot out the top, so don't ever put your hand over top of it when the steam is releasing. And when you're turning the knob, make sure your hand is not over the vent. So you want to turn it from the side. You can use a spoon or something like that if you want, and it's okay if you want to scream and pee your pants the first time. You are not alone. The steam will take probably a minute or 2 to fully release. Just wait until the pin is dropped. Congratulations, we have just made boiled water. But for real, you'll know you can take this lid off once this pin drops back down. There's a safety measure, there's a locking mechanism, so even if you tried to turn the lid while it was pressurized, you would not be able to turn it, you would not be able to take off the lid. So don't worry about taking off the lid too soon. Once that pin drops, it's no longer pressurized, you can safely remove the lid. you've got boiled water. And we have just successfully completed the water test.